Feeling? Yes, family, we give thanks for the gathering, you know. Celebration of the Honorable Robert Nesta Marley, my grandfather's in. Yeah, man, we give thanks.
Donisha, I mean, everybody knows that you're the grandchild of the late Bob Marley. You were here, I saw you side stage dancing and bubbling. Your thoughts on, you know, the importance of this and the significance of 80 years of the life of Bob Marley.
80 years celebrating the life of my grandfather. It's a very special thing to be able to remember, to be able to reconnect, and to look forward to many more opportunities to gather and to dance and to sing and to pray. You know, because I feel like reggae music really is a prayer, and when we come together and we listen and we sing and we're praying collectively, we really listen to the music. You know, so I give thanks for this opportunity, for this presentation. It was top class. We went off without a glitch, and we just look forward to celebrating some more and to listening beyond the music, you know.
The importance of younger Jamaicans getting to experience this.
Yeah, that part, the importance of younger Jamaicans getting to experience it, because there is a huge cultural gap that is happening, and it's leading to a big identity crisis. And I don't think it's something that would qualify right away. Me living overseas now and looking at it, the youth don't have a chance to, you know, with a Rasta man on the corner or pass by and see some Rasta people in our space and just a reason and that kind of thing. It's important that we get to engage with our culture in these kind of ways, because remember that we've inherited a system that doesn't belong to us and never tried to support us in the first place. So spaces like this is for the youth to be able to thrive and feel safe and to identify.